Hello students, welcome to biology class. Today we are going to discuss about exchange of gases in plants. So in the previous video I have told you about the respiration, that is aerobic respiration and anaerobic respiration. Today we will discuss how the gases they are exchanged in plants. Now let us see, the higher plants they respire aerobically, means they require oxygen also for the process of respiration. Okay, so you can see the higher plants they respire aerobically, means they require oxygen to respire. Second, growing points of stem, root, floral buds, growing fruits and germinating seeds respire more actively. Okay, so these parts, stem, root, floral buds, germinating seeds, growing fruits, they require more amount of oxygen and they respire actively. Okay, other parts in them the respiration is slow, but the parts mentioned here they respire actively. Okay, then beta most plants respire slowly. Now why they respire slowly? Because you know plants they are fixed at one place, so the energy requirement for plant as compared to animal is less. You all know that animals they can move from one place to another place. They show locomotion. Means if I am standing here I can move from this place to another place. I can locomote. But the plants they are fixed at one place and the energy requirement of the plant is very less. Okay. Then beta, plants do not have any transport system for gases. Okay, like we have circulatory system, we have respiratory system, okay, we have digestive system, we have different kind of system for different activities. In the same way, the plants they do not have a particular transport system for the gases. Okay, we are not talking about food or water and minerals, we are talking about gases. Plants do not have a well developed system for transport of gases. In fact, there are well developed intercellular spaces, okay, for the diffusion of gases. Okay, the gases they diffuse through the spaces which are present in between the cells. So we will discuss how the different parts of the plant they respire, or how the process of respiration takes place in different parts of the plant. Yes, so I was talking that every part of the plant have its own way of exchange of gases. So here you can see beta leaves and young stems. Now how the exchange of gases it takes place in the leaves and young stems. So it is through the minute pores which are present in the leaves and in the young stems. Okay, and these pores are known as stomata. Now beta, these stomata, you all know these are the minute openings or minute pores which are present on the surface of leaves as well as they are present on the young stem. Okay. Now what happens beta during the daytime, you know the carbon dioxide it is taken in by the leaves. Okay, and in some cases it is taken in through the stem also, green stem. Okay, for the completion of the process of photosynthesis. So at night you know the plants also require oxygen. Okay. Now when the process of photosynthesis is completed, again through this pore the oxygen is liberated into the environment. In this way the carbon dioxide which is exhaled by the animals and the human beings, it is taken in through stomata, and the oxygen produced the process of photosynthesis it is released into the environment. Okay, so in case of leaves and in case of young stems, the pores which are responsible for the process of respiration are stomata. Okay, second is beta older stem and roots. Now see the mature stems, the green stem when it matures it becomes old, and in case of this older stem and older roots, जो पुरानी जो बूढ़ी थी, बूढ़ा स्टेम हो गया, ठीक है, बूढ़ी रूट्स हो गई, in them there is a permanent opening. Okay, a permanent opening is there, and that opening the, ठीक है, there is a connection, there is a contact between the air in the cells of these, okay, along with the atmospheric air. Okay, so in older stem and roots, lenticles, these are the permanent pores which are present in the older stem and roots. Okay, the air in between the cells, it is directly in contact with the atmospheric air. Okay, thus it helps in the exchange of gases. In young roots, beta. Now see what are the structures which are present in the plant that help in exchange of gases in young roots. Okay, in young roots, you know beta, the roots, they are having root hairs. Roots are having root hairs, fine hair-like structures, and these root hairs, they bear epiblema cells, and epiblema cells, they helps in the diffusion of gases from the soil into the root. So you know, through these epiblema cells, the gases, it diffuses into the root. So these are the structures, that is stomata, lenticels and epiblema, which helps in exchange of gases in plants.